Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we're making delicious Beijing beef. Please watch the video to the end because it really helps out my channel. So let's do what we do and make it happen. In this zip top bag, we have some thinly sliced flank steak. We're adding water, cornstarch, sesame seed oil, and soy sauce. We're going to work the marinade into the steak. Now we're sealing up the bag and we're going to toss it in the fridge until we're ready for it. And guys, this isn't much work for the incredibly delicious payoff. We have some serrano, an orange bell pepper, I love the color, and an onion the size of my head. We're not going to use all of this onion. In a saucepan over medium-low heat, in goes the pineapple juice, sugar, chili garlic sauce, ketchup, seasoned rice vinegar, the soy sauce. Now we have water and cornstarch, and we're going to mix those together before adding. Then we're gonna cook and stir our sauce until it thickens the heck up, son. We're about to use more cornstarch. Cornstarch makes it crispy. Now we're ready for our beef. We grabbed it out of the fridge and we drained off the marinade. We're going to coat it in cornstarch. Then we're gonna make sure everything gets its fair share of the coating. We want to coat this awesomeness in sauce, but we also want some crispiness, so we're going to fry. We're going to cook this steak longer than you would think. Also, it's important to serve this right away, so have some rice or some noodles and the people you're going to enjoy this meal with at the ready. We have this pan over medium-high heat, and we're going to add some vegetable oil. Next, we're going to get our steak in the pan. We're going to cook while breaking it up and stirring it around until it's crispy. Then we're going to remove the steak and set it aside. There will be a little oil left in the pan, but we're going to add a little bit more. We're going to toss in our beautiful vegetables. Remember those peppers and onions we sliced? That serrano? Oh yeah. We're going to cook these just until tender and not a second more. Here we are, guys. We're adding back that seasoned, fried, crispy beef to our beautiful bell pepper, onion, and serrano. And it's time to put this dish together. Now, once we added the meat back to the pan, we're going to pour over that beautiful sauce we made earlier. Look how silky it is. It has a lot of flavor. Now, we did add that serrano, but we only added just a touch. This is not hot. If you're one of those people that, she put the pepper in, it's going to be really hot. No, it's not hot. It just gives it a little slight undertone of heat. Very, very mild. You can also use a jalapeno or Thai chili or something like that, but just a little touch to give it a little je ne sais quoi. So we're just going to stir it all together. And still on the heat. Remember, the heat was at medium low. And that's it, guys. You want to serve this right away so it still has some crispiness. All right, that's all for this time. See you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.